Gently poke the right airbag removal hole with a screwdriver. Loosen the left airbag spring using the same method. Use a flat screwdriver or other tool to unplug the airbag wire connector. Use the same method to unplug the power cord of the steering wheel. Use H10 ratchet wrench to remove the original steering wheel. Shake left and right to remove the steering wheel. Use a T30 screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws that secure the airbag spring and remove them. Remove the spring. Use a cross screwdriver to unscrew the screw that secures the GND. Disconnect the heating wire connector with a flat screwdriver. Remove the small decorative panel on the back. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 4 screws at the bottom. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the front small decorative panel. Remove the front small decorative panel. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the bottom. Loosen the face frame buckle with your fingers. Then gently remove the face frame. Use a T10 screwdriver to remove the 3 fixed buttons on each side. Use a flat screwdriver to remove these zip ties. Remove the scroll wheel button. Transfer the scroll wheel buttons to the yoke steering wheel. Use a T10 screwdriver to fix one side first. Then fix the other side. Secure the remaining 4 screws on the left and right. Be careful not to tighten these screws too tightly. If it is too tight, it may cause large gaps in the panel. If the gap is too large, you can adjust it by loosening the screw. Our work is in good condition after conducting the final inspection. Buckle up these fixed buckles. Put on the base. You can first secure the front end in place. Remember to thread the heating wire over. Fix the back base also in place. Insert the reserved leather inside. Fix the bottom 4 screws with a cross screwdriver. The bottom 4 screws must be tightened. Otherwise, there may be gaps. Use a cross screwdriver to tighten the 2 screws that secure the base. Place the heating wire into the cable tray. Cover the front small decorative cover. Tighten the 4 screws that secure the small decorative panel. Cover the small decorative panel at the back. Connect the heating wire connector. Insert the connected heating wire into the wire slot. We can use a screwdriver to squeeze the wire into the wire slot. Tighten the screw that secures the GND wire. Tighten the zip ties. Place the spring in a fixed position. Fix these 3 large screws with a T30 screwdriver. Connect the flat wire on the spring. Assembly completed. Align the hole and shake it left and right for easier installation. Tighten the screws with an H10 screwdriver. Connect the power wire of steering wheel. Connect the airbag wire too. Directly press and fix. Installation completed. Location of the small battery in the front trunk. Rear seat large battery position.